Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science from Kaggle using an easy method. First, create your free Kaggle account and spend some time exploring the platform's vast resources. Then, dive into the Getting Started competitions, which are perfect for beginners. Focus on thoroughly understanding the problem statement and the provided datasets. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong understanding before you even write a single line of code. It sets the stage for successful data science projects. Once you have your data, the next step is exploration and preparation. Spend about 1/3 of your project time on this phase. Use descriptive statistics to summarize key aspects and create visualizations to uncover patterns. Address any missing values or outliers, perhaps by imputation or removal. Finally, transform your features, like scaling numerical data or encoding categorical variables, to optimize them for machine learning algorithms. This meticulous preparation significantly impacts your model's accuracy. Now it's time to build and evaluate your models. Select machine learning algorithms that are well-suited for your specific problem, whether it's classification, regression, or clustering. Train your chosen model on the meticulously prepared dataset. After training, rigorously evaluate its performance using relevant metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, or root mean squared error. Aim for a robust model that generalizes well to unseen data, often achieving over 90% accuracy in many tasks. A powerful aspect of Kaggle is its vibrant community. Dedicate time to studying winning solutions and public notebooks shared by top data scientists. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and contribute your insights. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches and techniques you learn. This iterative process of learning, applying, and refining your skills, often involving dozens of iterations, is how you truly master data science and continuously improve your capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.